What's this?
2.
That's another square.
2.
What's this up here?
Hi, Pop.
2.
Square. She's telling me what
Squares.
is under this.
Dad, she read circle, square, oval, and triangle.
Oh, yeah.
2.
Uh-huh.
Right 2.
What's
Hi,
the
square.
square?
Where's the triangle, Carly? Where's the triangle? Yeah, there it is.
Yeah. There's
cute.
Oh, you got
Sticker.
stickers. Look.
Uh-huh.
She has her, this is a refrigerator work of art here.
But push.
Yeah.
Is that what you say?
It's stuck. Look, it's stuck
Push,
on
she's
there.
saying push.
Oh, push.
It's stuck.
Clock. That's a, yeah.
Tick
Okay.
tock, tick tock, tick tock.
Is this what the stickers were on?
Yeah.
Where you going? Down? Watch your heady and your face. Okay.
What's your head in?
Sticker,
I
yes.
think I got some more stickers somewhere.
Yeah.
You like those stickers, huh?
We got stickers
Hi.
somewhere on here.
Here, babe. Sit down.
No, I said I can see my chair.